Hello! Today we're going to learn how to apply the distributive property in mental math. First, let's do the problem 5 times 5 plus 5. First, we can write 5 as 5 times 1. If we do that, we get 5 times 1 plus 5 times 5. So we can take 5 common, which we get 5 times 1 plus 5. We always have to write inside the parenthesis whatever is, for each term we have to write whatever is multiplied by 5 inside the parenthesis. So we get 5 times 6, which is 30. The reason this works is because when we do 5 times 1, we have 5. Then when we do 5 times 5, we have 5 5s, which is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. When we do this, we have 6 5s, which means 6 times 5, which is the same as this, and 30. So that's the reason the distributive property works. Now, let's practice doing it on some new problems. 6 plus 6 times 8. Let's turn 6 times 1 into 6, right? Then we replace 6 with 6 times 1, which means we get 6 times 1 plus 6 times 8, which is already in the problem. So we take 6 common, we get 1 plus 8 times 6, which is 9 times 6, and 54. For the next problem, why don't you take a moment to pause the video and try this one on your own. Now, let's go over the solution for 7 plus 7 times 8. 7 is equal to 7 times 1. So substituting, we get 7 times 1 plus 7 times 8 is equal to 7 times 1 plus 8, which is equal to 7 times 9, which is equal to 63. If you got that, you understood how to apply the distributive property in mathematics. Let's try a couple more. Again, pause the video and try this one out. For this problem, if you got 35, you got this. Now, 5 is equal to 5 times 1. So replacing that instead of 5, we get 5 times 1 plus 5 times 6. And we take 5 common. So 5 times 1 plus 6, 5 times 1 plus 6 is equal to 5 times 7, which is 35. Let's do one last problem to finish this off. So you try this one. Let's have you try this one on your own. Okay, so this one is a little tad bit complicated. So 5 is equal to 5 times 1 yet again, and 5 times 1 plus 5 times 8 is equal to 5 times 1 plus 8 when we take things common, and 5 times 9, which is equal to that same thing. And 5 times 9 is 45. So good job to all of you those who got 45. Thank you for listening to my video.